Breast reconstruction is a personal choice. Having the option to reconstruct the breast over time with a tissue expander plays an important role in creating the breast pocket after mastectomy. The expansion process allows for the greatest amount of flexibility in creating the desired shape of the reconstructed breasts, making it the most common type of reconstruction in the United States. The ARTOURA Breast Tissue Expander is the only expander with dynamic control technology designed to expand primarily in the lower portion of the breast through internal components that deliver a more stable and predictable shape to align with aesthetic goals. Tissue expanders gradually expand the skin and soft tissue to provide space for breast implants to be inserted. The ARTOURA Breast Tissue Expander can be placed either at time of mastectomy or sometime later post-mastectomy. Tissue expanders are expanded over time through saline injections into the internal device port. The ARTOURA internal injection port is located in the upper pole to accommodate for accessibility away from the nipple areola complex. Fillings occur at increments in the plastic surgeon's office. Safely achieving a size in line with the desired outcome is an important indicator of a successful expansion, so time needed varies from patient to patient. ARTOURA breast tissue expanders are designed to expand more like the shape of a natural breast. This is achieved through design components that work together to control and direct expansion. ARTOURA is designed to provide you with a predictable and stable breast tissue expansion experience to enable a simple match to your final Mentor breast implant.